Hello, my name is Jane from InAnalytics.io. In this video, I will show you how to install InDriver on Windows. Download InStudio.zip from InAnalytic.io. Open the download folder, select InSetup.zip, unpack, and run InSetup.exe. The certification process is ongoing, so when the Windows Defender screen appears, click More Options and run anyway. Follow the installation steps, accept the license, select a folder, manage shortcuts, confirm the installation of InStudio, and wait for the installation to complete. Press Finish. InStudio and InDriver will start if checked. Once you have configured your InDriver connections, you can surf your configurations. Download InDriver manual PDF to read full installation instructions. Still have questions? Contact the InAnalytics support team. We are here to support you.